Hello friends, good morning all of you. Welcome to ASIS, the Engineering Foundation. You are heartily welcome in our channel. Today, under distributed system day 3, we are discussing nodes of distributed system of unit first. I hope you all are also well. So, let's start. First of all, we discuss what is what are nodes. What is the meaning of nodes? In this lecture, we will explore the concept of nodes in a distributed system. We will understand what they are, their roles, and different types commonly found in such a system. First, we discuss what are nodes. A node is a single computer or device within a distributed system. Means think a nodes as individual building blocks that comes together to form a larger distributed structure. Each node has its own capabilities and contributes to the overall functionality of the system. It means each node can process, store, and transmit of data. They work together to achieve a common goal that is called distributed system nodes. Next is communications and roles. Nodes communicate with each other. They can act as a client, server, or both. Nodes collaborate and exchange information to achieve the desired outcome. They can take on different roles, such as requesting information as a client, providing information as a server, or sharing resource equally. It means peer. Next is types of nodes. Nodes can be categorized based on their roles. The specific type of nodes determine its functionality and responsibilities within the distributed system. Understanding these roles is crucial for designing and managing efficient distributed systems. First is client nodes. Client nodes is initiate request for a service or resources. For example, a web browser making a request to a web server. Client nodes are starting point for many interactions within a distributed system. They initiate requests for data, services, or other resources from other nodes in the system. Second is server nodes. Server nodes provide services or resources in response to client services, client requests. It means server nodes provides response to client request. Example, a web server responding to a request from a web browser by sending a web page. Server nodes act as the service providers within a distributed system. They handle client requests, perform computations, store data, and deliver the desired outcome. Next is peer nodes. Peer nodes are equal and share resources without a central server. It means all nodes are equal. If example, a peer-to-peer file sharing network, a peer-to-peer file sharing network where each computer acts as both a client and a server. In peer-to-peer system, there no central authority. Each node has an equal role, sharing resources and collaborating direct with other nodes in the network. Next is master nodes. Master nodes is another name is coordinator nodes. It manage and coordinate the overall system operations. Example is cluster manager. A cluster manager in a high performance computing system, assigning tasks to worker nodes. Master or coordinator nodes act as a central point of control in a distributed system. They are responsible for managing resources, assigning tasks, and ensuring the smooth operation of the entire system. Next is worker nodes. Worker nodes execute tasks assigned by master or coordinator nodes. Example, computers in a high performance computing system performing calculations as instructed by the cluster manager. Worker nodes are the workhorses of a distributed system. They carry out the specific task assigned to them by the master or coordinator nodes, contributing to the overall processing power and functionality of the system. Next is storage node. The dedicated to storing and managing data by storage node. Example, nodes in a distributed system, file system. Nodes in a distributed file system storing and managing and maintaining user data across multiple locations. Storage nodes are crucial for ensuring data availability, reliability, and the scalability in distributed system. They provide dedicated storage resources for the system's data ensuring. Next is gateway node. Act as an intermediate between different networks. Next is load balancer node. Distributed incoming traffic across multiple nodes for balanced resources utilizations. And another is naming and directory service nodes. Manage naming and resources location within the system. And another is communication nodes. It handles communications, protocol, and message exchange. In this lecture, here are some assignment questions for you to practice as. First is, what is node in distributed system? Second is, explain types of node of distributed system in details. Thank you very much for watching this video. To see more video like this, please like, subscribe and share our channel with your friends so that you and your friends can also get the benefit of this video. See you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. थैंक यू। अगर आपको वाकई में लगता है कि आप मेरे साथ अपना जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड सिस्टम सब्जेक्ट है वो कंप्लीट कर लेंगे बिफोर आरटीयू एग्जाम, तो प्लीज ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप अपने यूट्यूब के वीडियो को शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और लाइक करें। ठीक है, थैंक यू।